Which all-terrain tires are actually good for snow? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, SUNF A033 all-terrain tires. Let's kick things off with the SUNF Power ATV UTV all-terrain tires. Priced at $280.21, these tires caught my eye with their impressive 4.8-star rating from over 8,500 reviews. If you want dependable traction in snow and a solid performance across various terrains, this is worth a serious look. With a robust 6 or 8-ply construction, they resist punctures and cuts, ensuring durability when you're out in harsh conditions. The shoulder traction technology enhances grip during turns, which is crucial when navigating slippery roads. Plus, they come in sizes ranging from 22 to 32 inches, so they fit a variety of ATV and UTV models. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The grip and durability mean fewer worries about getting stuck or damaging your tires. Now, some people complained about the weight of these tires, which can make installation a bit of a workout. Here's the thing though, if you're off-roading in snow, that added weight can actually contribute to better traction. This is perfect for you if you're an off-road enthusiast looking for reliable tires that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for easy handling on-road. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MasterTrack Badlands AT tires. Next up, we have the MasterTrack Badlands AT tires, priced at $693.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 564 reviews, these tires are backed by a 3-year road hazard warranty. If you're looking for a tire that can handle snow and mud effectively, this one deserves your attention. This means you won't have to worry about losing traction as you drive through challenging conditions. They're built to last with a 50,000-mile treadwear warranty, so you're looking at fewer replacements and lower long-term costs. The reinforced casing also protects against cuts and impacts, which is essential if you're driving on rugged terrain. Here's why this matters. With the right grip and durability, you can confidently navigate snowy roads without fear of hydroplaning. However, some users have noted that the noise level can be a bit high on highways. But honestly, if you're primarily off-roading, the traction you'll gain in snow and mud makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself on rough trails in winter. Skip this one if you do mostly highway driving and need something quieter. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more compact vehicles. Product number 3, Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus. Coming in at $206.06, the Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus is a great choice for those who need all-terrain capability without breaking the bank. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 1,000 reviews, this tire is designed to perform well in snowy conditions. If you want great value without sacrificing safety, this is worth considering. This tire features a unique tread design that enhances grip in snowy and slippery conditions, making it easier to drive confidently in winter weather. The construction is robust enough to handle rough terrains, while still offering a smooth ride on highways. Plus, its universal fit means it can accommodate a wide range of vehicles. Here's why this is important. You want a tire that can transition seamlessly from city streets to snowy trails without losing performance. However, some users found that the tire wears a bit faster than expected. But here's the thing, if you prioritize performance in snow over longevity, this tire offers a solid trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable tire for your daily driver that also tackles winter conditions. Skip this one if you drive mostly on highways and need something designed for longevity. Now, if you're looking for something specifically built for winter, the next tire is an excellent contender. Product number 4, Falken WildPeak AT Trail. The Falken WildPeak AT Trail comes in at $200.06 and holds a strong 4.8-star rating from 1,100 reviews. This tire is great for light trucks and SUVs that need reliable traction in snowy conditions. If you need a tire that lasts and performs in winter weather, this is definitely worth a look. This means you can expect better handling and grip when you're driving on snow. The tire also boasts a 65,000-mile limited warranty, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last. Here's why this matters. Longer-lasting tires mean fewer trips to the store and more time enjoying your ride. Now, some users reported that these tires can feel a bit stiff on dry roads. But honestly, if you're mostly driving in winter conditions, that stiffness translates to better handling in the snow and ice. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with heavy snow and need a tire that won't let you down. Skip this one if you primarily drive in dry, warm weather. Now, if you're interested in a more rugged option, let's take a look at our last product. Product number 5, Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus 275. Rounding out our list is the Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus 275 65R20, priced at $318.08. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, this tire is another excellent choice for tackling winter roads. If you want stability and performance in snowy conditions, you'll want to hear about this one. This tire has a high load capacity of 3,750 pounds, making it perfect for heavier vehicles that still need reliable traction in snow. The construction is durable and designed to handle various terrains, so it's not just limited to winter driving. Plus, the vehicle-specific fit ensures optimal performance. This is crucial because you want a tire that fits your vehicle perfectly to maximize grip and stability. But here's the thing, if you're looking for top-notch performance and durability in snowy conditions, the investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you drive a heavier vehicle and need tires that can handle winter weather effectively. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and need something more economical. Now, let's wrap things up and compare these great options. So to wrap things up, we've covered the SUNF A033 for durability, the MasterTrack Badlands for ruggedness, the Pirelli Scorpion for value, the Falken WildPeak for longevity, and the Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus for heavy-duty performance. Each of these tires has its strengths, so think about what best fits your winter driving needs. As always, drive safe out there.